Grabe yung tema no, na pinakita dito sa trailer at sa teaser pa lang. But you as actors, how was it dealing with the dark themes of the movie?
This ice cream. Vanilla.
Ako, I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Personally, you know, when I'm at home, I turn on the TV, the first things that you would really see on my siguro sa streaming app ko would be like true crime, you know, like mystery, mga documentaries, horror, thrillers, suspense. So I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. And I guess I'll leave it at that. I'll let Kuya Aga answer.
Doc Aga, how was it dealing with the dark themes of the movie?
Sabi ko nga kayo, di ba, masaya maging masama. Parang hindi, ibig ko sabihin, lahat, in all honesty, lahat naman tayo, we have our dark side, you know. Mga Kristiyano lang lahat tayo, kaya balanse ang buhay natin. So, para mabigyan ka ng pagkakataon na ilabas mo yun sa pelikula, libre, gawin mo lahat yun. Na walang masasaktan dahil hindi tulay. Napakasarap gawin talaga. Masaya nga eh.
Ate V?
Siguro sa buong career ko, bihirang-bihira akong gumawa ng isang dark film. If I'm not mistaken, the last was Tagus ng Dugo. This one, even if they're saying or they are considering this or we are considering this a dark film, but definitely it's dark, but I enjoyed it. Kaya hindi siya dark.
Sige mo, sabi ko sila, kasama ako nag-i-enjoy sa dark.
Dark daw siya, pero paano mo magiging dark? Kaya in-enjoy namin nung ginagawa namin ito. Maybe dark, maybe sa theme, pero at the end of the day, it's a movie. It's a good film. It's a good movie.
Sana showing na talaga ito bukas. Talaga.
Thank you po, congratulations.
Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you po.